ready to race. Final race for tonight. Way they go, smart and noble. I want justice. Rushing up is Euromax, Danori inside Solar Power Salinas, Royal Fair, and on the father outside is May Bukas pa at Gossip alongside his breeding machine, while Flying Hope is the early trailer. Euromax, the outstanding favorites. Now the leader in the middle is I Want Justice, Smart and Noble. Is running down on the inside. Then comes Solar Power, Royal Fair, May Bukas pa, and Salinas. As they race the last 500, Euromax, this time by some two lengths. I Want Justice, Smart and Noble, Solar Power, May Bukas pa, and Royal Fair. Entering the last 150 meters more to run. Euromax 7A still hanging to that two lengths lead. I Want Justice by the Rally Smart and Noble, Solar Power, Royal Fair, and May Bukas pa. And finally, Euromax, I Want Justice, Smart and Noble, Royal Fair, Solar Power, May Bukas pa, Salinas.